Teapot, if you're genuinely after one of these cordless vacuums, hurry up, because I think there's a bit of a typo at the moment, because the 350 watt one is cheaper than the 150 watt one. Don't forget, you're getting the ultimate flexi pole for getting underneath those sofas and the beds. You get your attachment for cleaning your cobwebs all around your house, and if you're somebody that cleans your own car, that'll get perfectly in between your seats, or in between the cracks in your sofa. And this thing will even last about 60 minutes, so it'll go pretty much around anybody's house. And you get a funky LED lights in case you want to hoover in the dark, you little raver. But honestly, this 350 watt one is genuinely cheaper than the 150 watt one at the moment, and it is an absolute beaut. It's got 3 different speed settings, even tells you when it needs emptying. If you want one, if that orange basket is still there, I would suggest you're very quick before the price goes back up.